help us build buildings and houses, but they also help with the atmosphere. But the high demand of houses and homes will cause deforestation.
These are the top 5 effects of deforestation. The loss of biodiversity. Over 80% of the world's species call the forest home. Habitat loss due to deforestation leads to extinction or threat of extinction millions of plants and animal species. Climate change. Plants fix carbon dioxide. When cut, CO2 is emitted, contributing to the greenhouse effect and global warming. Disruption of water cycles. Trees allow water cycle by absorbing and releasing water. Their cutting is bound to reduce rainfall, initial droughts, and alter weather patterns. Soil erosion and degradation. Soil would be when it washes away without true roots to hold it, leading to landslides. Poor fertility of soils, rivers, and sedimentation. Desertification. In other areas, deforestation has the potential to make the land desert, particularly when indices of non-sustainable agriculture.